So yeah, right now I am at Beijing railway station and my train is 4:45. So right now it's 3:25. So I thought I should have lunch right now. So I bought this lunch is like just in the second floor on that corner, in the second floor of the Beijing railway station, and this whole plate they have 4 things. One leg piece, chicken leg piece, obviously, and another is like this one is chicken tikka or cutlet you can call, and another one is potato and carrots fry, another one is tofu curry, so that is maybe mapo tofu. This is tofu. Quite okay, nice, not that bad. And the thing is, the price of this whole box is 20, just 20 RMB. So let me enjoy it. Next time if I eat food from here, definitely I gonna take more of that chicken cutlet, this ball. Tofu is not that delicious, and the potato stir fry is okay. The chicken, that is also quite not that tasty, because it's like most of like dry, not that curry. Because I love curry, not the dried ones. But the chicken ball, that is like juicy and flavoring. The flavor is awesome. The fragrance is awesome as well. Definitely needs to try.